I have to admit, I've been really excited to bring you guys this beautiful property on 248th Street. Now, when the clients first called us to do the sales and marketing, I came out to the property, I first looked at the stats. And I have to admit, I was so impressed with the house because in my opinion, it looks like a way newer house. And I give all the credit to the architect because of the forward-thinking design. It's very open, extremely bright. You can move it and enjoy it exactly as is, or do some minor tweaks and update the place. But as you can see, it's absolutely spectacular. And on top, add to that a nearly 1,100 square foot shop for your toys or whatever else. This property is everything that you could want. Let's have a look. Absolutely love this lot because dimensionally it's perfect for whatever you want to do. You've got privacy and space, and the location is phenomenal, being right next to Krause Farms, Otter Trail Winery, and right close to the freeway and the township of Langley. Everything is a short distance from where you are. So it's really the lot, the space, the well thought out house that really makes this place stand apart from everything else. And it's also amazing because you don't have a ton of work to do. That's the nice thing about being just under an acre. But hey, we'd love to show it to you. Why don't you reach out to us today, info@hardyteam.ca. We'd love to show it to you. Or if you're just curious about the value of your property at today's market, reach out to us anytime, and we'll talk to you soon.